Okay, the question is this. How in the Quora app can I find my Quora profile URL? I can't find it. I've looked all over and I don't know where it is. I set up my Quora account on desktop. That's where I set up my TL Burris as my handle. However, I do have an answer. In the Quora app, if you look over there, you see where it says edit profile. To the right of that is the share button. I hit the share button and I copy that information. Now I have the URL to my Quora profile. And I'll show it to you if I go to do a new message and just while writing a new message, I paste that information that I just copied right there. Now there's a bunch of other text on it that I don't need. Everything after the question mark I can get rid of. But when I get rid of that, look there, that is my Quora profile URL. That's the best answer I have today.